Good morning, everyone. Let's continue chapter 4, section 7, the providence of restoration, the progress of history. So, the kingdom of heaven on earth is a society whose structures form the image of perfect person. So, likewise, fallen society may be regarded as born likeness of a fallen person. We can better understand the history of societies built by sinful humanity by examining the inner life of a fallen person. Since human society is composed of individuals who are constantly at war within themselves, interaction among them cannot help but be full of discord and conflict. So, human history has consisted of people's conflict-ridden societal relationship constantly changing with the course of time. Hence, it has necessarily unfolded and strife and warfare. So, progress in history does originate with individuals whom, even amidst the vertex of goods and evil, make determined efforts to reject evil and promote goodness. Okay, so therefore, the world towards which history is progressing, the kingdom of heaven, where the goal of goodness will be realized. Meanwhile, on the basis of relationship of blood ties with the first human being, Satan has worked through fallen people to realize the advance of God, a prevented form of the ideal society which God intended to realize as a result in human history. We witness the rise of unprincipled societies which are built upon twisted version of the principle. So at the end of the human history, before God, the kingdom of heaven on earth, Satan will have built an unprincipled world in a distorted image, the kingdom. This is none other than the communist world. About the progress of history in the age of the providence of restoration, the first society, built by fallen people, was a primitive collective society. Due to the activity of original mind, collect, calling people to respond to God's provident divisions between relative good and evil surely arose in primitive social societies. So God called Abraham out of the sinful world to be the standard bearer of goodness and blessed him with descendants who would uphold the will of God. God raised up Abraham's descendants into the first Israel clan society. So they entered Egypt as a clan society, but by the time they left Egypt to Canaan, they had grown into a tribal society. So Israelite society in the period of the judges was a feudalistic society. Okay, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.